Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 11th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. What else is new? Palantir dropped 58 cents, 7.96%. Closed at 671. Post-market, we are up by 3 cents. So let's look at the damage here. So red candle, we still have not reached the bottom of the channel here. We can still reach 630. All of the indicators are red. On the 1 hour chart, we had an undecided first candle of the day, just like with Tesla. We did not know what was going to happen, but then from the second hour on, we just came down. So I hope you have a lot of cash versus a lot of stocks, because this is not looking good. And the indices are pretty much the same also. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.